Hello, so ngayong araw ituturo ko po ang tinatawag kong snaking technique. So tinawag siyang snaking technique because sumasabay tayo sa trend and haba niya to get profit. Ito po ay effective using M15 and M30 time frame. So we are looking for so-called sniper entries. Gagamit tayo ng dalawang indicators which are parabolic SAR and fractals. And key points to remember, kung saan ka lang nag-entering time frame, doon ka lang din aalis. So paano siya gawin? Punta ka lang sa iyong MT4 kung ikaw gumagamit ng PC. Punta ka sa Insert, Indicators, Trend, and Parabolic SAR. So default dapat ang settings, pero kung hindi siya naka-default like this, you may wanna go ahead and change the format. Yung step niya should be 0.02. Ang maximum should be 0.2. Ang style naman po depende sa inyong gustong kulay at taba ng object. If you are ready, just click OK. Now, if you are using a mobile phone, it doesn't matter kung iyan po ay iOS, Apple, or Android, makikita mo sa MT4 application mo yung indicator doon sa object or sa itsura niyang italic F. Pag nakita mo yung italic F na yun sa MT4, doon po nakalocate yung mga indicators, yung sinabi kong parabolic SAR at sasabihin ko mamayang fractal. Nevertheless, paano siya gamitin? So, napakadali lang po nito, no? Kapag may dalawang dot na nag-appear sa taas ng candlesticks, you are looking for selling opportunity. Kapag may dalawang dot na nag-appear sa baba ng candlesticks, you are looking for buying opportunity. So, paano ang exit points, yung ating take profit or cut loss? Again, kung 10 kayo nag-entering time frame, doon lang din po kayo. At let's just say example, kayo po ay nag-entry ng sell dito. Bakit ka nag-entry? Because of this dalawang dot. The moment na bumababa siya, the selling opportunity still continues, so nagpo-profit ka. Until such time, pag nakakita ka, example nito, ng dalawang dot, that's your indicator. Without any hesitation, mag-cut loss ka na or take profit. And vice versa. So let's just say nag-buy ka naman dito because of dalawang dot, tumataas siya but hindi ganun kalaki ang tinaas. However, lumabas yung dalawang dot dito, that means that is indicator na may potential na magbe-bearish na ang market. So yung buying position mo, you may wanna go ahead and close after ng dalawang dot na nag-against sa buy position. So ganun lang po siya kadali. Now, paano tayo magiging strong and yung strong confirmation natin kung saan ba talaga ang right level at may mahabang trend na mangyayari. Isa po sa tutulong sa atin dito is yung fractal. Punta ka lang ng insert, indicator, Bill Williams, and fractals. So as is na po ang kanyang settings, pero yung kanyang kulay at style or taba ng object o nang bahala din again. So I will click OK. So there. As you can see, lumabas po ito. So paano siya gamitin? Pag may arrow na lumabas sa taas ng candlestick, nangangahulugan na may potential na bababa ang market. Pag may arrow na lumabas sa baba ng candlesticks, may potential na tataas ang market. So let's just example here. Ito po, no? Let's just say lumabas si fractal, huwag ka muna agad-agad mag-entry ng sell or buy. You need to wait for two dots to appear after ng fractal. So once nag-appear yan, there's a big chances of winning rate. So as you can see, bumaba naman siya ng husto, right? Binaba naman niya ng husto. Now, again, ang exit point mo dito is the same thing. Huwag kang aalis after ng fractal kung walang nilalabas na dots. As you can see, kung umalis ka ng maaga dito, sayang opportunity na sana na maximize yung sell. Ngayon, kung sinunod mo yung process, as you can see here, may fractal uli, but lumabas na yung dalawang dot. So, it means to say that's your go signal na pwede ka nang mag-exit trade. So, same thing with the buy. Nakita mo may fractal dito, no? May dalawang dot, kaya tinaas. Now, nangamba ka ng konti kasi may fractal, pero sabi nga natin, you just need to stick to the process. After ng fractal, kailangan may dalawang dots. So, walang dalawang dots ang nangyari, kaya yung selling position dito, hindi ganun kalakasan, tinaas pa rin siya. Kaya kung sinunod mo yung process like this, you could have got more profits there. So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. Now, you may wanna go ahead and do this as a scalping. Again, sniper entry ang hinahanap natin. So, kung ikaw ay may planong kumuha ng at least $10 to $20 per day sa market, no? At you have a good decent amount of money, probably you may want to go ahead and enter one entry at a time, no? Try mo muna siya. Then use at least 0.05 or 0.10 lot size. So pagbaba niya ng 10 pips to 20 pips, kahit hindi mo natapusin to, you can you can exit the trade. Kasi ang concept talaga nito is momentum. Hinahanap na natin yung mga big candlestick na nahihiwalay doon sa sideways. So kung gusto niyo pang malaman to, just make sure na naka ah, on yung notification nyo sa VIP channels and sa Messenger. Magkakandak tayo ng continuous learning aside from this, uh, back-to-back lectures with different strategies. And also, if effective siya, please be a testimonial. Send it to our group para at least ma-spread natin yung knowledge na meron tayong ganitong ginagawang concept. So, yun lang. Thank you so much.